people. I am finally recording the week 4 of Vlogmas, so this will end Vlogmas and probably be my last video of 2019. So I failed and didn't record really anything for Christmas Eve or Christmas. I have a few clips of my kids opening gifts, but nothing major, so I might insert those in and then continue with the vlog. So you might see those right now. No. Those aren't yours. Those ones aren't yours. Carter, those aren't yours. They're not yours. Those ones are Santino's. Over here. Over here. Look, no. Over here. Over here. Really? All up on Carter's thing, you ripped the paper. Open it! What do you got there? Who is it from? The D. What is that? From Toy Story? Who's that? Woody? And RC?
Oh my God.
What's Santino?
Damn, for me.
Damn, how you gonna do it like that?
It's my time to shine.
Hello, beautiful people. It is week 4 of Vlogmas, and it is coming to a bittersweet end. I did not record at all this week, and I do apologize. So this is probably going to be the only thing that you will see for this week. But I went to the store and I picked up a snack and a drink that I've never tried before. So I just decided, why not get them so I can try them on camera for you guys and let you know what I think. So the first thing that I got is this crispy coconut rolls with sesame, and they're made with real coconut milk apparently. They're by the brand Hesco. I found them in the Asian food section, so I'm not sure if that is what they are. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try these for you guys. Let me just place you somewhere. Okay. It's kind of a weird angle, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up for the first time on camera. Okay. Oh, it just smells like coconut. That's what they look like. So they're these little rolls, and you can kind of see the little bits of sesame in there. It's not at all what you would expect. If you've ever tried those wafer chocolate things, that's the texture. You definitely taste the coconut, almost like coconut shavings. And in some of them, not in all of them, but in some of them, you can taste the seaweed or the sesame flavor. So it's It's not bad. I can't really explain it though. But yeah. Okay, so they're Thai. Original Thai crispy rolls with crunchy and tasty bites. So it's Thai. Ingredients are coconut milk, tapioca flour, sugar, egg, black sesame seeds, and salt. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get the drink. I popped it in the freezer because I wanted to try to get it a little bit cold, but it looks like this. It's Calpico lychee. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'm pretty sure most of you guys know what that is. And it's a product of Japan, this one. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh, okay, so it smells exactly like that, exactly like the lychee. So that's probably what it's gonna taste like. It's probably nothing really like special. Yeah, it's good. It tastes exactly like the little lychee thing, fruits. So if you like that, then you will definitely like this. But yeah, you guys, it's always good to try things, experience new tastes and stuff that you've never done. And that's definitely what my 2020 is going to be, is doing things that I've never done and experiencing things, tasting stuff, and just not being afraid. Like, don't be afraid because you don't know how it's going to taste, or you know how it's going to feel, or anything. Experiences are all about that. It's about the adrenaline and not knowing what's going to happen, because at the end of the day, you might find new things that you like to do or like to eat, and it's always good to experience that type of stuff. So I think that's a good message that I'm going to leave my last video of 2019 off with, is to not be afraid to experience new things and not be afraid to move forward. And yeah, just enjoy life and enjoy the little things. And Carter's gonna say hello. And with that, see you guys in 2020.